Easy, cheesy, and packed with flavor. Today we're making a casserole the whole family will love. The recipe is in the description box, so let's get started. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Steam or blanch your broccoli for 3 to 4 minutes, just until it is tender crisp. Meanwhile, cook the rice according to package directions. Use chicken broth in place of the water for added flavor. Cube 2 to 2.5 cups of chicken. Rotisserie works great here. Melt the butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Stir in the flour and cook for 1 minute. Slowly whisk in the milk and chicken broth and stir until smooth. Simmer until it is thickened, about 4 to 5 minutes. Stir in the garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, salt and pepper, and stir until all the spices are dissolved. Add the 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese a little bit at a time. Stir and make sure it is melted before adding more. Add the chicken, broccoli, and rice to a casserole dish and mix together. Pour the cheese sauce over and stir until it's evenly coated. Top with the remaining shredded cheese. And bake for 25 to 30 minutes until it's golden and bubbly. This casserole is creamy, cheesy, and full of flavor. A simple way to turn leftover chicken into a delicious weeknight meal. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will like and subscribe and come back for more easy and delicious recipes.